Welcome back. This is, of course, the Cell Guru show, but that you already knew. What you don't know is what's coming up now is this very small little phone, the Nokia Asha 501. Now, I've been saying this for a while. For Nokia, the Asha series has literally been an eye-opener, even for them as a company. Just how well can you do by making competent, very well-made, very well-built, economical phones and then flood the market with it. This is a perfect example. Very small to many people, the cutest phone in the market. Well, for me, that's not a very big criteria. I do not go into a shop and tell the shopkeeper, "Aapke paas sabse cute phone hai, wo mujhe dijiye." But I think for a lot of people, like I said, it's a big criteria. But more than just the outer looks, the form factor and the cuteness is what this phone is capable of on the inside. This is the Cell Guru review.
It's bright, fun and happy. And above all, it's super cute. But the good news on this phone doesn't stop at the looks department only. It's quite a machine on the inside as well. This is the Nokia Asha 501, which adds a whole lot of color and zing to our life. Defying the trend of large to giant screen phones, Nokia gets in a 3-incher. The phone is light and weighs only 98 grams. The 501 borrows its looks from Lumia with curves and colors, and the add-on is the removable back covers, which are made of polycarbonate. The smartphone is powered by a 1 GHz processor and runs on the new Nokia S40 operating system. The phone performs smoothly without any lags. The 501 boasts of a new swipe-based user interface which has been highly inspired by the N9 MeeGo OS. Double tap the display to wake up the phone and swipe from the right edge to left to get into the menu. It features 2 home screens. One is Fast Lane and the other is the app drawer. Fast Lane promises to show your present and your past. This includes phone calls, text messages and so on. Another add-on is the home screen notifications. The users can swipe individual notifications to either side to take actions. The new Asha comes with Nokia Express browser preloaded, which compresses internet data up to by 90%. This is aimed at making mobile browsing faster and more affordable. The Asha 501 features a 3.2 megapixel camera. It comes with a 4 GB memory, has a SD card slot to expand memory, is a dual SIM phone. But then there is a single SIM version as well. Also, it supports 2G along with Wi-Fi. The 3G variant is said to be on its way. The 501 comes with a 1200 mAh battery, which sounds less, but on a phone this size, it does last you over a day. There are preloaded apps like Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. And for more, you have the Nokia App Store. Cell Guru verdict. It's almost like a candy bar screaming out loud to be picked up and be eaten. And given the price tag of just 4,999 rupees, it is totally delicious and worth a bite.